Chapter 8, WHIMIS Variances. Variances in Regulations. While Canada's WHIMIS is aligned with the global GHS, slight differences, known as variances, exist between the Canadian system and the systems of other countries, most notably the United States' Hazard Communication Standard, HCS. These variances occur when different jurisdictions adopt the GHS standards with specific national modifications. It is crucial for suppliers selling products in Canada to comply with the Canadian Hazardous Products Regulations, HPR, not the U.S. standards. Variances defined. Variances are the specific points where the Canadian WHIMIS requirements differ from the U.S. HCS, even though both are based on the GHS. These differences can appear in areas such as the exact terminology used on labels, minor differences in SDS formatting requirements, or how certain hazard classes are defined or categorized. Summary of variances. Employers and workers should be aware that variances exist, particularly for products that may be sourced from or also used in the U.S. The key takeaway is that in Canada, Canadian law, the HPR, takes precedence. All hazardous products in a Canadian workplace must comply with WHIMIS labeling and SDS requirements, regardless of their country of origin. Conclusion. In summary, while WHIMIS is aligned with the global GHS, slight differences or variances exist between the Canadian system and those of other countries like the United States. The key takeaway is that in Canada, the Hazardous Products Regulations are the governing law. Employers and workers must ensure that all hazardous products in their workplace, regardless of origin, comply with Canadian WHIMIS requirements for labels and SDSs to guarantee consistent and legally compliant hazard communication.